quarantine.
hold up.
For the airport, I quarantine. You know I born for it. You wanna fuck out born that shit. Drinking the bitch, I ain't even rapping porn on it. It really just be on sports shit. Yeah, ain't good at embracing how I feel.
This shit sounds horrible. Like from the outside it sounds good, but inside the drone is fucking horrible. I'm not gonna lie. Like this drone is fucking dog shit. Like I miss my mufflers, I'm not gonna exhaust anymore. Like it's just straight fucking drone. Like shit sounds horrible, bro. Like what the fuck is this? Like the drone makes it sound like a straight pipe V6. Like I don't know how to explain. Like it sounds so bad. On the outside sounds crazy. I'm not gonna lie, but the inside is fucking horrible. About to shift, like it has like that V6 tone, like it's the drone is so bad. Oh my god, like this shit sounds fucking dog shit, bro. Like, if your boys don't know this car, let me put the miles up for your boys. This car is 217,000 miles too, so I'm just saying this car pretty reliable, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I be dogging this bitch every day. I'm gonna put my shit back to normal. If you want a loud car, you never remove your mufflers. You need that. You need them bitches. You can remove your cats. You can put headers. As long as you have mufflers, you're chilling, bro. Because without it, like you're gonna fucking suffer with this bullshit. I'm not gonna lie, this shit is dog shit. Like straight dog. Like having the no cats with just mufflers was perfect. This is too much. This is too fucking much. car sounds fast, but it's going nowhere, bro. This bitch is going nowhere, bro. I don't know what the fuck this guy's doing. This bitch, though. Where'd I go? I went fucking nowhere. You see, I'm still behind this guy, bro. This bitch is slow as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this joint is so slow. Shit? Oh, he's on that. Hold up. He's on that. Oh, he's on that. Yo, he's cutting up. Okay, hold up. Hold up, you see the red Audi behind me? That nigga is tweaking too, bro. I'm not gonna lie. He's on that, bro. That bitch is hard as fuck, dang. Yo, that's...
Are you gapping people?
No, this thing's slow. This thing's slow. It just sounds good in the back. That's it. It's slow. Is that a V8?
No, supercharged V6.
Oh, supercharged?
Yeah,
oh,
stage 2.
Stage 2? That's nice.
Nice though.
Thank you. See it. See that? You see how his car sounds like? That's how mine sounds like from inside the cabin. It sounds like a V6 inside the cabin with the drone. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, we got a little cut. We got just a little bit. You feel me? That felt good. I'm not gonna lie. That shit did feel good. That's a supercharged V6, motherfucker. He said it sounds good, so that's what I'm saying. From the outside, I know it sounds crazy, bro. But in the inside, it sounds like shit. Like, see, cops is at that light right there. You see, that's why we gotta chill out. Feel me? That's how the setup. Oh, the mic actually stayed. So this is the setup. So we gon', yeah, you know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned.